Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm back with a new tutorial, very pretty one. This is a granny square and it's a cross stitch granny square. If you followed the if you've watched the previous videos, I've been doing few projects with the cross stitch and I'm continuing the same way today with a granny square. As you can see, it's very pretty, textured and different, but it looks a perfect square, something new to try. This is how it looks behind. This is perfect for many projects. I'm planning to make one project after this, which will be the shawl, if you like to stay tuned for the next one. And you can make a blanket, a pillow, anything you like. The usual what you make with a normal granny square, you make it with this cross stitch granny square. It's very easy to make. I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial to follow, and you'll be able to achieve it. It looks complicated, but trust me, it's really very easy. I'll give you the sizes before we start. So this is made of 7 rows of granny square and it's 22 centimeters in all sides. You can make it bigger, smaller, depending on your project. So we'll use a crochet hook, which goes with the yarn I'm using, which is medium worsted acrylic yarn. Any yarn you use, just use the crochet hook, which goes with the yarn label. So we'll start right away. So I'm gonna start by making a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna join to the first chain to make a ring. I'm gonna chain 3, 1 double crochet inside the ring, and now we'll start shaping the first cross stitch. So yarn over, go behind both chain 3 and the double crochet, insert behind the stitches inside the ring and work a double crochet. Like so. This is the first cross stitch. Chain 2, and we'll repeat the same. 2 double crochet inside the ring, and then yarn over, come back behind the 2 double crochet inside the ring from behind and work the double crochet to make the cross stitch. Chain 2 again, 2 double crochet inside the ring, yarn over, come back behind the 2 double crochet inside the ring from behind and work a double crochet. So we need to do this total of 4 times. Chain 2 and repeat. 2 double crochet inside the ring, yarn over, behind the 2 double crochet inside the ring from behind and work a double crochet. Chain 2, and we're gonna join. So we're gonna join in the chain 3. The initial chain 3 is behind the cross stitch double crochet, so we'll make sure it goes in the right stitch. So this is the cross stitch, the top double crochet, this is behind the chain 3. Inside the stitch we pull through, slip stitch, and this is the square. So this is how it looks like so far. We're gonna continue the same way as the granny square, so we're gonna work into the spaces. So we're gonna work 2 cross stitches in every space. So 1 cross stitch, chain 2, 1 cross stitch, and then go to the next space, cross stitch, chain 2, cross stitch, and we continue. So because I slip stitch in the last stitch here, I will not start the first cross stitch in this space, so I'm gonna slip stitch once and slip stitch into the space and chain 3. This will be considered as the first double crochet. Now the second double crochet, and again yarn over, come back behind both, double crochet, and work the cross stitch double crochet like so. Chain 2. Again we repeat in the same space, 2 double crochet, yarn over, come back behind both double crochet, and work my cross stitch double crochet like so. We continue in the same the next space, sorry, we continue in the next space, 2 double crochet and close with a cross stitch. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, and come back, work 1 double crochet behind. Again in the next space, 2 double crochet, and the last one in this row, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and again we're gonna join to the first one. We make sure we go in the stitch or the chain 3 behind the cross stitch, not on top of the cross stitch, which is this one behind, and slip stitch. And this is how it looks so far. the beginning of the square. So the next row will be a bit different, and the same will be in every row going up. So the corners will always be worked the same: cross stitch, chain 2, cross stitch. And now we have these small spaces where we're gonna work one cross stitch, which is double crochet and one double crochet crossed. I'm gonna show you now. So chain 3, one double crochet inside the space, yarn over, come behind both, and work the cross stitch double crochet, just one, like this. And the same in the corners, 2 double crochet, yarn over, come back behind, and work the cross double crochet, chain 2, repeat in the same space, another cross stitch, okay. In the small space, one cross stitch, 2 double crochet, yarn over, come back, and work the crossed double crochet, like so. And the space in this is the same thing, 2 cross stitch, chain 2, and another cross stitch, two double crochet, cross stitch, and in the space again. Okay. This is how it looks so far. And we're almost done with the third row. And we're gonna join again in the stitch behind the cross stitch, which is the chain 3, slip stitch. That's it. This is how it looks so far. nothing complicated. It's very easy to make. And this is how after 3 rows how it looks. This is after 7 rows, and as I said, you can make as many as you want depending on your project. Very easy to achieve. I hope the tutorial was easy to follow and understandable. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. And that's it. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.